Imagine a lush patch of earth drifting across a lake, home to plants, insects, and even small animals. Floating islands are rare natural formations made of tightly woven vegetation, roots, and soil that detach from the shoreline and glide with the wind or current. Some are just a few feet wide, while others stretch for acres, supporting entire miniature ecosystems. In places like Lake Titicaca, people have even built homes and villages atop these buoyant platforms. These islands showcase nature's ingenuity, adapting and thriving in ever-changing environments.